Day 20 in our, day 20 in this millinery advent calendar with me, John of Petershams Millinery. I'm very intrigued because it's a bit weighty. I've not, like, compared to like feathers and it's a bit weighty, so I'm intrigued to see what's in here. Okay, after this intro, we'll open this up. Ooh. Day 20. Why not use some vintage sequins to give a twist on any project? They are available in a massive range of shapes and sizes. Love, love, love. Oh my word. I haven't even seen this yet. I'm obsessed. Ooh. Ooh. So we have 2 packets. Now, I'm not going to open these, but I will put a picture of the packets unopened. Oh, whoa. What is in here? That's all, yeah. This is divine. Oh, right, I'm just trying to find these on the website so I can tell you more about them. So these are the vintage 1950s, 1960s sequins and the 25mm circles. The colours are, we have metallic aqua, and we also have metallic pink. Now you can see the colour, but like I said, I'll put another shot of these in out of the package in a second. These are $2.25 per pack. So the it's sold in one gross pack, which is about 144 individual sequins as well. Notes from the website. These sequins are special in 2 things: the colours and the shapes. The circle variety is fantastically high quality, and they really don't make them like they used to. Dating to the 1950s and 60s, these sequins were rescued from an old haberdashery. Preserved for decades, they were ready to find their forever home. I love sequins. Love, love, love. Ooh, and like all these. Oh, yes. That's going to maybe look a bit Mr. Blobby-like, but oh, them colours, divine. I'm all over this, like me. Yes. This calendar is really like, because I'd seen that they had sequins a while ago and I've been meaning to purchase them and completely forgot because, you know, life just gets in the way. They have some really beautiful ones, so check their website out for the full range of sequins that they have. Unless I have more, who knows? I actually don't know what else I'm getting. So next question, which is for today, day 20, is what hat blocks do I have? So I'll put a picture here, of somewhere about here, of my hat blocks. So I currently have, I've got 2 brim blocks. So I've got, they're both double-sided. So one is more of like an upsweep brim block, so it's slightly upswept on one side and very much upswept on the second side. The second brim block I have is, it's more of a flat, slightly Dior-esque brim. And the other side, it's more of a rounded sort of Dior brim. So they're my brims. I have a multi-block, which is a pillbox, and then it has a dome top on the top. And then I have several just little fascinator style blocks that I would use. And I don't have that many hat blocks. I really should start investing in more hat blocks, but they're not cheap. So I'm holding out to get the right one that I know I'm definitely going to. Oh, and I also have a beret style block as well, which I do. I use that a lot. So yeah, they're the hat blocks that I have. And I'll link them all in the description box below as well. So just in case you actually want these hat blocks, I'll link where I've got them from and which one it is as well. Right, well, 5 days left. This haul is huge, and I'm not complaining at all. This is great. It's a lot of stuff that I just would have seen and be like, oh, this is beautiful. Would never force me to use it. This actually makes me have to think about it now. I'm looking at this collection of things and going, oh, I can't wait. I can't wait, especially for upcoming videos. I mean, I've still got a lot of materials that, you know, I've bought for videos and things like that. So we are going to have a good old time for sure. But like always, thank you very much for watching. All my social media is in the description box below, alongside all these materials and links to where you can purchase them from. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, because if you're not subscribed, I wonder why you're watching me if you're not subscribed. Make sure you do. And once you've subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future, because for the rest of this month up to Christmas, we are putting videos out at 8 PM UK time. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow and wonder what beauties we have coming up soon. Bye.